Hi kids, can you guess where we are? Today we're at a bee farm, so be ready. Beekeepers tend to bees in this farm. They make hive frames made of wood for the bees to live in. The worker bees fly out of the hive frames to collect nectar, a sugary juice from flowers. They suck the nectar with their tongues and store it in their honey stomach, which is different from their food stomach. After they've collected enough nectar, they fly back to the hive frames. Inside the hive, they transfer the nectar to other worker bees who chew on the nectar and pass it to others. And this process continues until the nectar gradually turns into honey. The bees store the honey in the honeycomb cells, which look like tiny wax jars. The bees fan the nectar so that all the water from it evaporates. And when the honey is dried and sticky, they seal the cell with a wax lid to keep it clean. Whew, that's a lot of hard work to make honey, don't you think? When a honeycomb is full, the beekeepers wear a protective suit and remove the filled combs and replace them with empty ones. Then they put the frames in a machine called an extractor. The machine draws the honey out of the combs and stores it in containers. The goal of the beekeeper is to keep the bees happy and healthy enough to do all the work. So, the beekeeper moves the hive frames around to ensure that they have access to food sources such as orchards, large vegetable farms, or flowering foliage. Did you know that it takes about 8 to 12 bees their entire life to make just 1 teaspoon of honey? So let's be grateful to these busy friends of ours.